I welcome you to my channel, Lecture Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. Let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you the easy way you can remove your picture background in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin. First, you need to bring your picture into the Adobe Illustrator. Next, you go to Object, select Locked, and make sure you just select, or you press Ctrl 2 in your keyboard to go to Lock the Object. So I think Lock Object to zoom out the entire document. Okay, so next now I will go to my toolbar and I'm going to select Tools. Into here. Then from the property here, you make sure there's no fill and you can apply stroke color and the stroke width you can minimize it a little bit. Then now you start to treat your image. Then you need to come down below here and close the part. Good. Now, next thing I'm going to do is to go back to your shape. Now, this is the shape, and you can as well increase the stroke so that you'll be able to see what exactly you were able to trace. Good. So one other thing I'm going to do is to click on the picture now. Then I'll go to my menu bar, select Object, then Unlock. So having selected that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my traced image here. Click on this trace. Then you press Shift key on your keyboard and select the picture. Next, now you right click on it and make sure you choose Make Clip Mask. So you're going to have the background image delete once and for all. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe button, click like button, and also remember to visit my channel for more interesting video in Adobe Illustrator. Visit my channel, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Cutout, or graphics. This is the best channel for you. All you have to do is to visit the channel, watch 1 or 2 videos, and also remember to subscribe to the channel when you visit. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.